My name is Marco Swanepoel. I work at Dewfresh. I'm the production manager for the UHT plant. So the factory, obviously, both Dewfresh and UHT run a variety of products. And both these plants also are responsible for a lot of the contract packing in the country, ranging from Pick n Pay to Checkers.
What makes Graco Invisipack unique is the fact that it's not a traditional tank system, it's a melt-on-demand system. First in, first out. And it only heats up about 600 milliliters of glue, which keeps the integrity of the glue constant, the viscosity of the glue constant, which makes the application rates constant. Due to the fact that it's only got a 10-minute warm-up time, it saves a considerable amount of energy, up to 40%. It saves about 80% of the normal maintenance cost per annum. And then obviously your reliability is one of the major factors. It doesn't cause any nozzle blockages due to the fact that it hasn't got a tank that heats up. There's no charring happening at all.
The main focus was on cost saving. So if there was a saving on the usage of glue as well as line efficiency, I can have a considerable saving on usage. But the other saving that is sometimes overlooked will be on maintenance. Maintenance cost through a 12-month cycle. I can get access to both lines with one unit, a little bit of less usage on the glue.
So there was a bit of a concern on the client side regarding the installation. It's the first Invisipack to be installed on a Tetra Pak, but it actually went quick and easy because the footprint of the Invisipack is similar to the competition. So one of the challenges was to prevent fluid from going into the solenoids on the applicators, because during maintenance, when they're cleaning the equipment, water or fluid tends to go inside the solenoids. So to prevent that, we actually fitted exhaust fittings on the solenoids, which actually seals off the solenoid completely.
From the days we started providing support at Dewfresh on the hot melt systems, and we've seen what the opposition can give, and we've seen what Invisipack can provide in terms of the benefits it has on the hot melts.
I think the outlook is to do the whole plant, obviously. Very professional staff, always on time, can be here early in the mornings if I need them. Quite happy with how it's been going so far.